Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs simple. Let's begin by gathering our essential tools and ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a good non-stick pan, and a reliable spatula. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, plus a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring delicious results every time. For perfectly scrambled eggs, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently until the yolks and whites are just combined. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your nonstick pan over a medium-low flame. Pour in the egg mixture and stir continuously with your spatula for about 2 minutes. Take them off the heat when they're soft and slightly moist, ensuring a creamy texture rather than dry, rubbery eggs. To make easy fried eggs, warm 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan, ensuring the yolks remain intact. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set, but the yolks are still wonderfully runny. A sprinkle of salt and pepper just before serving will enhance their natural deliciousness. Here are a few quick tips for consistently great eggs. Always opt for fresh eggs. They truly make a difference in both taste and texture. Remember to cook your eggs over medium-low heat to avoid them becoming rubbery. Seasoning them just before serving will bring out their best flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices to discover your perfect egg creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.